The English sentences I use every day at home. I wake up at 6 in the morning. Every day I open my eyes and get out of bed at 6 a.m. I make my bed after waking up. I fix my blanket and pillow neatly so my bed looks clean. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I go to the bathroom to clean my teeth and splash water on my face. I take a shower and wear clean clothes. I use soap and water to clean my body, then I change into fresh clothes. I help my mother in the kitchen. Sometimes I cut vegetables, bring water, or just watch what she does. I make tea or coffee for everyone. I boil water, add tea leaves or coffee, and serve it in cups. I eat breakfast with my family. We sit together and eat things like bread, eggs, or paratha in the morning. I clean my room every day. I pick up clothes, sweep the floor, and keep things in the right place. I water the plants in the morning. I use a jug or pipe to give water to the flowers and trees. I talk with my parents or siblings. We sit together, talk about our day, and sometimes laugh a lot. I watch TV or listen to music. In my free time, I enjoy watching shows or listening to relaxing songs. I check my phone or use social media. I scroll through Facebook, YouTube, or chat with my friends online. I help with lunch or dinner preparation. Sometimes I cut onions, stir the curry, or set the table for meals. I read a book or study for a while. I spend some quiet time reading storybooks or studying English. I go to bed and sleep at 10 p.m. After finishing everything, I lie down, close my eyes, and go to sleep. Can you please pass me the salt? When I'm eating, I politely ask someone to give me the salt. Let's eat together. I invite my family or someone in the house to sit and eat with me. I'm feeling a little tired. I need to rest. When I work a lot or feel sleepy, I say this before taking a break. Please lower the volume. I'm studying. If someone is playing loud music or TV, I ask them nicely to keep it quiet. Don't forget to lock the door before sleeping. At night, I remind others to close and lock the door properly. I will do the dishes after dinner. After eating, I wash the plates and cups in the kitchen sink. The power is gone. There's no electricity. When the light or fan suddenly turns off, I say this. Please switch off the fan when you leave the room. I remind someone to save electricity by turning things off when not needed. Can you help me fold the clothes? After washing clothes, I ask someone to help me fold and keep them. I need to sweep the floor. It's a little dirty. When I see dust or dirt, I clean the house with a broom. What should we cook today? I ask this when planning lunch or dinner with family. I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat? I say this when I feel like eating something and want to know what's available. Please don't make noise. The baby is sleeping. I request others to stay quiet when someone is resting. I'll take a short nap and then finish my work. I rest for a little while before continuing tasks at home. It's getting late. Let's go to sleep now. At night, I say this when it's time to go to bed. I'm going to take a shower now. I say this when I'm ready to freshen up. Can you please open the window? It's hot inside. I ask someone to open the window when the room feels warm. The food smells so good. I say this when something delicious is cooking in the kitchen. I think we're out of milk. I say this when we don't have any milk left in the house. Let's clean the house together. I encourage others in the family to help with house cleaning. Can you bring some water, please? I politely ask for a glass of water. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It might rain. I remind someone before they go out of the house. Close the door gently, don't slam it. I say this when someone shuts the door too hard. Let's sit and have a cup of tea. I invite someone to relax and have tea with me. I need to charge my phone. I say this when my phone battery is low. I'll be in my room if you need me. I tell others where I'll be if they want to find me. Please turn on the light, it's too dark. I say this when I need more light in the room. Can you check if the gas stove is off? I want to be sure that the stove is safely turned off. Please don't leave your things everywhere. I remind someone to keep their stuff in the right place. Dinner is ready, come and eat. I call everyone to come to the table when food is ready. I'll sweep the floor, and you can mop it. I'm suggesting teamwork to clean the floor together. Can you please hang the clothes outside? I ask someone to hang wet clothes for drying. Let's watch a movie tonight. I invite someone at home to enjoy a movie together. There's too much dust, let's clean the fan. I say this when the fan or furniture looks dirty. Please don't touch that, it's hot. I warn someone, often kids, not to touch something hot like a pot. Who took my charger? I ask this when my phone charger goes missing. I'll cook today, you can rest. I offered to do the cooking while the other person relaxes. I'm not feeling well, I need some rest. I say this when I'm tired or sick and want to lie down. Let's go for a walk after dinner. I suggest a relaxing walk in the evening. The sink is full of dishes, let's clean it. I say this when the kitchen is messy and needs washing. Don't forget to feed the pet. I remind someone to give food to the cat, dog, or bird. There's a bad smell, did you take out the trash? I ask this when the garbage hasn't been thrown away. Let's make a shopping list, we need a few things. I want to write down what groceries we need to buy. Please wipe the table after eating. I tell someone to clean the dining table. I'll wake you up at 7 in the morning. I tell someone that I'll help them wake up early.
Behind every video is a person who cares. If you feel that, please subscribe. I'll be grateful.